Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about reduction variable. So I will put about v equals to x plus y. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have dv over dx. This one we have number 1. This one we have dy over dx. Because we don't have number 1 in here, so I will put number 1 go to the left. So this one we change by v. This one we change by this one. Negative number 1 I will put on the right. 1 plus cosine v I will put on the left. Dx will go to the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Next, we multiply by 1 minus cosine v on numerator and denominator. And now we have the formula in here. A plus b multiplied by a minus b equals to a squared minus b squared. So this one we have 1 minus cosine v squared. So we have the formula in here. Sine v squared plus cosine v squared equals to number 1. So we have 1 minus cosine v squared. So I will put this one go to the right. And this one we change by sine v squared. Now we have 1 divided by sine v squared. Cosine v divided by sine v squared in here. And now we need to concentrate on this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sine v. Du we have cosine v dv. So this one we change by u and we have u squared. Cosine v dv we change by du. So the integration of this one we have negative 1 over u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about sine v. So this one we have cosecant of v squared. The integration of this one we have negative cosine v. The next one negative and negative we have positive. This one we have s. About v, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.